Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial where we will learn about smart way to trim and extract the closed region from the drawing. So you can see here in the slide, we have a drawing where a shape has been shown which was created, and after that we needed to have this type of result. So you know that if we are going to utilize the trim command where we have to trim a lot of areas and we might have to spend maybe 2 to 3 minutes, right? But what if I tell you that it can be done within 5 seconds? Obviously, you will be amazed. Let us see how we can do that. So here I'm in ZWCAD, and where I have the shape. This is before and this is after. Now, if I need to generate this type of shape with the help of trim command, you know that you can use trim and then start trimming one by one, right? So let's say all these regions where if I'm going to trim it, then I have to do it one by one, and I might have to delete a lot of other regions even after trimming, right? So you can see that even if I'm using this technique and then keep on trimming one by one, this will take surely 2 to 3 minutes or maybe more, right? So now instead of going this way, let us understand the smart way of trimming this object. Let's say I'm just removing all these like that, and here. So this is one of the way. Now the other method is, you know that we have boolean operations, right, which we generally use in 3D modeling, but we can use those boolean operation to generate these type of shape. So here what I'm going to do, let me just explode it if you think that this is a closed region already. So now this is just a normal shape. Now we will just use the region command first of all, which will create the closed region. So reg is the shortcut for that. Enter. Select the entire shape. This is going to be my entire shape from which I need to extract the boundary. Then enter. And you will see that the 31 regions created. And after that, we will simply use the Boolean operation where we will combine the multiple regions together using the union. So for union, UNI is the short key. You can see from your command line window, union is coming. Click. It will ask you to select the shape. So I'm going to select the whole shape again. Just select it, hit enter key, and there we go. So you can see within 5 seconds, we got it. So we can be more productive by utilizing this tool in our daily workflow. I hope that is clear to you. Thank you so much.